Hello, my name is Benjamin. You're watching Benicarus Trades. I hope you'll enjoy the show. Today we had a few interesting news coming out. One of them were, of course, the dropping oil price. It was down at around 4% during the day. And now the question is, what kind of impact does it have? So some people say there is too much supply and some people say there is not enough demand. I believe it's both. We do have Canada, Brazil and the United States all producing a lot of oil right now. And on the other hand, we have weakening demand, especially coming from China. And that creates an oversupply. A good thing about it is, of course, that energy prices are coming down, and so does the inflation rate, especially the core CPI in the United States came out today, and unfortunately it was at 0.3% opposed to 0.2%, which was expected. So here we have it on CNBC. Fed rate cuts will only come when the economy really needs them. And 0.3% core CPI is technically 3.6% on a yearly basis, which is well above the 2% target rate of the Fed. So let's see how tomorrow's FOMC meeting and interest rate decision is going to turn out. In my opinion, it doesn't look so extremely good. Then on the other hand, of course, we have the markets being kind of discoupled from interest rate decisions. It seems like at least the markets are rallying like crazy again. Oh, just coming in, stocks close higher for a fourth day. S&P 500 touches highest level since January 2022. Now that's kind of crazy. Of course, maybe this is just a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of topic. All right, let's continue. We will check out. Oh, of course, we do have another one. Oracle shares fall more than 10% on light cloud revenue. So we had it covered yesterday. Oracle shares fell after market, and that seems to be due to the not really all that great cloud revenue, which was expected to be much higher, and now it seems to be that even in the second quarter they were not on track to reaching their estimated growth. All right, this might of course also be an opportunity for people to buy into this stock if they feel like buying the dip. Let's check out the individual sectors. We do have healthcare, industrials, financial and technology again advancing quite a bit, while energy and utilities are both coming down considerably. On the future side, we do have wheat, palladium, platinum, coffee, lean hogs, cocoa all advancing, while again natural gas, crude oil, heating oil, orange juice and canola were all coming down. Here we do have the individual stocks. Here is one big blob on the map, which is Oracle. It was down more than 12% at some point today. Other than that, the markets were relatively mixed, more on the greenish side. Broadcom, AMD, Nvidia all advancing, semiconductors really strong, and on the other hand we do have energy coming down quite a bit. All right, let's check out the charts. So the SPY was up 51 basis points. We do have QQQ being up almost 1%, 91 basis points, and really nice candle, to be honest. It's kind of pushing up nicely. IWM almost in the positive territory, but in the end it was 10 basis points in the negatives. Dow Jones 0.5% up, and even TLT, which was down earlier in the day, came back up nicely to the level of 94.5 $1.57. I mentioned the semiconductors such as AMD and Nvidia coming up nicely. Intel losing a little bit after yesterday's rally. And here, of course, AVGO 4% up. And the big one down here, Oracle 12.5% down. In my opinion, what I am waiting for is Disney. Disney is a stock that I really like because they have a really phenomenal moat with their intellectual property. And I am basically waiting for one of those gaps to fill, and then I'll get back into this stock. In my opinion, it is a great stock to own at this price level, and I'll have a look at it. Renewables were all down after yesterday's pretty strong movement. Also, again, Enphase being at around $100. Of course, they did have a news coming out, which is they're going to be delisted from the Nasdaq. Bitcoin is also kind of like hovering around the 41,000 area, stabilizing here. Maybe we're gonna see more consolidation coming over the next few days, or it might even drop further down to back to the 38,000 levels. The Bitcoin and crypto related stocks were moving quite a bit again. Canaan minus 4%, HUD8 minus 5%, so kind of like volatile, let's say. One of the stocks that I am closely watching is Southwest. I've mentioned it many times in my last videos. I actually was waiting for a pullback to get into this stock. I guess I should not have waited. It was up 3.5% today. Now check this out, from the last low to today's close, it rallied 26%. Too bad I'm not in this position right now. Here we have it. All the energy stocks are coming down considerably. Might be a chance for someone to buy the dip. Alright, so if you like this content, please do me a favor and like this video and or subscribe to this channel. If you want to support me even more, you can do so by maybe checking out the trading pit if you choose to maybe attend one of those CFD and futures challenges. I am a big fan of Tradesviz, a trading journal that helps you reduce mistakes. So if you journal your trades, you can reflect on it a lot better and then make better decisions for the future. And last but not least, Interactive Brokers, which is my go-to broker. I really love their professionalism. They have good software, cheap prices. It's really a broker that you should check out and open an account using my referral link in the description if you choose to want to do that. All right, that's it for the day. I hope you will have a great, fantastic rest of the day wherever you are, and I'll talk to you soon.